Let's talk about KitchenCraft wall-mounted kitchen roll holder to fit 25 cm paper towels, wood, brown, 29 cm. Need a quick fix for the inevitable spills that come with cooking? Keep your paper towels to hand with this traditional wall holder. Made of robust beechwood, sourced from sustainable, managed European forests. It will add a classic, rustic touch to any kitchen. Keep things simple. You'll never need to worry about having to trawl through kitchen drawers or cupboards when you need to mop up most. The easy-to-fit, wall-mounted design saves space in small, busy kitchens, allowing you to measure and rip from the roll with ease. Measures 29 cm and designed to take a 25 cm roll. Yes, this is a wonderful holder made out of good solid wood. Just a little tip for all who purchase this holder: get a few basic rubber bands and wrap them around the wooden tube holder. This will then give you more control and traction over the paper toweling when you pull it. If you use the holder without the rubber band idea, the inside paper tube will slip on the wooden roller, stopping the paper from going downwards when you pull it. Hope this helps everyone. Hard to review what is basically a wooden stick. It feels sturdy and seems as if it should last a long time. I bought this one for my dad because it looks very similar to the one I have owned for 12 years and I can't see me needing to buy another one anytime soon. The item is exactly what we wanted to match the new doors of our revamped kitchen. It is very easy to use as the rod just nestles in slots in the side plates. A word of warning: the side plate fixing to the back plate is only glued in and the slot in the side plates is not very deep. One of the side plates was actually broken in the sealed plastic wrapping. Considered sending the item back, but there was no expectation that a replacement would not also be broken. So, as a very competent DIY person, Araldite and a couple of screws fixed the problem. If you are not good at DIY, do not buy this item, you have been warned.